guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is getting life insurance in your 20s. Do you need it? Is it a scam? So I worked in insurance for almost 3 years when I started out, and I learned a lot. And so today we're going to talk about life insurance specifically and why you need it or why you don't. So it depends. So if you are someone who is single and well off and have plenty in savings and your parents are well off, then you probably don't need life insurance. A low budget for a funeral is around $10,000. So if they can cover that, then you really don't need it. However, if you have a house, if you have a car payment, if you have student loans, that debt doesn't disappear when you die, unfortunately. Someone has to pick up the bill, and more than likely it'll be your spouse or your family. So you don't get life insurance for yourself. You get life insurance to help ease your loss on the people that you leave behind. And the reason I talk about this so young is because anyone can die at any time, as unpleasant as that is to think about. And for me personally, my husband is the main breadwinner, and if he died, heaven forbid, I would lose the house. I would be stuck with the student loans that we have. I mean, it would be really catastrophic for me. And that is just one example out of millions of people that do need it. So I don't have $400,000 in my savings account. So I would not be able to cover all of the expenses that what I would incur if my husband passed. So the short answer is it depends. The long answer is, do you have dependents? Are you a breadwinner, or are you a young single person who really doesn't have any need for it? Maybe your parents are very well off and you don't need it. But I don't think life insurance is talked about that much to young people, so that's why I'm doing it, because it is important no matter what age you are. Because as I said, you can kick it at any time. And I hate talking about this, I really do. But I know from firsthand experience how important it is and how life-changing having life insurance can be, especially on families who really need it. I mean, I've delivered life insurance checks to families before, and it's heartbreaking for their loss. But when you put financial distress on top of it, it makes it so much worse. Knowing that you'll get a check to cover the mortgage, to cover the car payment, to cover the student loans, if your breadwinner dies, your loved one, it's such a relief to know that at least you can just mourn in peace, I guess, knowing that your finances at least are taken care of. So anyway, it's not a fun topic. I don't like talking about it, but I think it's necessary, and I really hope this helped. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. Sorry if you can hear the train. And please subscribe to my... That is really distracting. To my Instagram, my username is Christina_O'Brien with 0 as an O. And thank you so much for being here, and I hope this was helpful.